guys, a lot of you had mentioned that you wanted to learn how to use the miter box and saw, so today I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how to make a small 5" by 5" frame. Here's the miter box and saw that I have. You can get this at your local hardware store or online. If you want to get it online, I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below. These two items come together and it's about $20 or less. This is the miter box. It's where you can place pieces of wood inside and cut your wood with a straight cut or at a 45-degree angle. The lines on the side help guide the saw so you don't have to worry about it not making a straight cut. It's recommended to clamp the miter saw down before using it. Since I'm doing a quick demonstration for you, I asked my assistant to just hold it down while I demonstrate this. First, place a piece of wood on the inside of the miter box and place the wood where you want the saw to cut. For me, I want to make a 45-degree cut, so I place the saw in the 45-degree line slot, like this. You will need to hold the piece of wood down in place while you're cutting. Push the saw back and forth until the cut is made. Make sure to use some arm power while cutting. Next, I measured and marked where I wanted to make my second cut. Now that I know where I want to make my next cut, I place the wood in the miter box. Then I change the position of the saw to angle 45 degrees in the opposite direction. The mark should be placed right where the saw will be. Now, push the saw back and forth until the cut is made. You've made your first piece. Repeat the same process to cut 3 more pieces if you're planning on making a picture frame like me. Once I put all the pieces of wood together, it turned out like this. To see the entire process on how to connect the wood to make a picture frame, click on the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be very helpful. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.